Booking a hotel room. Good evening. I would like to book a room. Certainly. Sir. May I know the dates of your stay? From the 10th to the 15th of this month. Please. How many guests will be staying? Just myself. All right. We have a single room available. Would you prefer a city view or garden view? A garden view sounds nice. Great choice. Would you like breakfast included? Yes. Please. What are the breakfast options? We serve a buffet with continental and local dishes. Perfect. Does the room have Wi-Fi? Yes. All our rooms have complimentary Wi-Fi. And what about parking? We offer free parking for our guests. Wonderful. How much will it cost? The total for 5 nights, including breakfast, is $500. That's reasonable. Can I make the payment now? Absolutely. We accept credit cards, debit cards, and cash. I'll pay with my credit card. May I have your card and a form of ID? Please. Sure. Here they are. Thank you. Let me process this. While you do that, could you tell me about the hotel amenities? Certainly. We have a gym, swimming pool, spa, and a business center. Sounds amazing. Are there any restaurants in the hotel? Yes. We have 2. One serves international cuisine, and the other specializes in local dishes. I'll have to try them. Are reservations needed for the restaurants? Usually not. But it's better to book during peak hours. Good to know. Are there any nearby attractions? Yes. The main shopping district and the city park are within walking distance. That's convenient. What time is check-in? Check-in starts at 2 p.m. But we can store your luggage if you arrive earlier. And what time is check-out? Check-out is at 11 a.m. But late check-out can be arranged for a small fee. That's very helpful. Is there a shuttle service to the airport? Yes. We have a shuttle service. It costs $20 per trip. I'll consider that. Could you email me the booking confirmation? Of course. Could you provide your email address? It's guest123@example.com. Got it. You'll receive the confirmation shortly. Thank you. Also, are there any special offers I should know about? We have a spa package with a 20% discount for hotel guests. That's tempting. How can I book that? You can book at the spa desk or through our mobile app. I'll check it out. Thank you for your assistance. My pleasure. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to ask. Will do. Have a great evening. You too. Sir. Looking forward to your stay with us. Thank you. How do I request housekeeping? Just dial 0 on the room phone. Will the hotel be quiet during the evening? Yes. We enforce a quiet policy after 10 p.m. Will there be extra charges for room service? It depends on your order. Are there vegan options at the buffet? Yes. We have vegan dishes. Could I get an extra pillow? Of course. We'll have one sent to your room. Is there a concierge service? Yes. Our concierge can assist with bookings and recommendations. Are pets allowed in the hotel? Unfortunately, pets are not permitted. How do I access the gym? Use your room key to enter. Is the pool open year-round? Yes. The pool is heated. Are laundry services available? Yes. We offer same-day laundry service. How can I contact the front desk? Dial 0 from your room phone. Is there a mini fridge in the room? Yes. Every room has a mini fridge. Are there safety deposit boxes? Yes. In every room and at the front desk. Do you provide toiletries? Yes. We provide complimentary toiletries. Can I get a wake-up call? Absolutely. Let us know your preferred time. Will my room have air conditioning? Yes. All rooms are air-conditioned. Are there blackout curtains? Yes. Our rooms are equipped with blackout curtains. Is there a gift shop in the hotel? Yes. Next to the lobby. Can I get directions to the city park? Certainly. It's a 5-minute walk from here. What kind of coffee is served at breakfast? We serve freshly brewed coffee from local roasters. Can I extend my stay? Yes. Subject to availability. Let us know in advance. Will I receive assistance with my luggage? Yes. Our bellhops are always ready to assist. Can I request a specific floor? Yes. Based on availability. We'll do our best to accommodate. Are there medical facilities nearby? Yes. A clinic is just 2 blocks away. Is there a dress code for the restaurants? Smart casual attire is recommended. How do I order room service? Use the menu in your room and call the room service line. Are there business facilities? Yes. Our business center is open 24/7. Can I leave a package at the front desk? Yes. We'll hold it for you. Is there a map of the city available? Yes. Complimentary maps are available at the front desk. Can I rent a bike from the hotel? Yes. We offer bike rentals. Are there special packages for anniversaries? Yes. We have romance packages with wine and chocolates. Can I upgrade my room? Yes. Subject to availability. What type of beds are in the rooms? All rooms have either queen or king-sized beds. Can I have an early breakfast? Yes. Let us know in advance. Is the pool suitable for kids? Yes. There's a shallow area for children. How do I connect to the Wi-Fi? Use the login credentials provided at check-in. Is there a hairdryer in the room? Yes. Each room is equipped with a hairdryer. Can I get an iron and ironing board? Yes. Just call housekeeping. What measures are in place for fire safety? Our hotel is fully equipped with sprinklers and smoke detectors. How secure is the parking area? It's monitored 24/7 by security cameras. Can I leave a review for my stay? Yes. We appreciate feedback on our website or review platforms. Will there be someone at the front desk at all times?